Helping the needy is essential for happy life. Helping the needy is one of the greatest virtue, virtues of human life. It not only brings happiness to others but also fills our own hearts with peace and satisfaction. A happy life is not measured by how much we have, but by how much we share. There are many people around us who need help. Poor families, orphans, the elderly, and those suffering from illness or hardship. When small acts of kindness like sharing food, donating clothes, helping a classmate, or offering kind words can make a big differences in someone's life. Helping others teaches us compassion, humility, and gratitude. It strengthens our character and builds a caring society. When we help the needy, we create bonds of love and trust, and our community becomes safer and stronger. In conclusion, helping the needy is not just a moral duty, it is essential for a happy and meaningful life. Let us open our hearts, lend a helping hand, and spread kindness whenever we go, because when we help others, we truly help ourselves. Thank you, Pakistan. Zindabad.